The importance of a day like this one, well, it brings together people from all different disciplines to talk about ways in which we can sort of make contacts with it, not just with each other, but with people in China, because I mean, I've worked in China now a couple of times, and I would actually say that my collaboration with Chinese artists and curators over the last 3 years now has brought about a situation where I view them as friends, and we have a conversation going on which includes not just individual artists' responses to the work that they do, but sort of broadens out into the cultural context. We have opportunities, having been offered to us and any of our artists, to go out and spend some time in studios out there. We would like to be able to do the same for them. Well, for me personally, it gives me the chance to make contacts with other people here who might be able to help and facilitate some of the connections I've already made with people in China.